Hey everybody, the Computer Geek 0101010001 here. Just a little short announcement. This is a PSA to anybody who uses an operating system on a computer. Take disk images. Take very thorough backups, including disk images. No, I don't mean copy your stuff off to an external disk images. Not a disk image, just a partition on your hard drive. I mean a disk image of the entire hard drive. You know why? Because once in a blue moon, you do updates and something breaks. Yeah, this just happened to the file server, and I took a disk image of the file server, and took a disk image of the file server, it came back up fine. Well, I did updates, and this is what happened when I rebooted. Apparently the RAM disk borked. It says Alec Magic is broken at 0x CF611500:0. Aborted. Press any key to exit, and I got dumped into a GRUB rescue menu. This is why you always take disk images. I don't care who you are. I don't care what operating system you run. I don't care how large your hard drive is. I don't care how powerful your setup is or how much you do on your computer. Take disk images, because something might happen and something breaks and leaves your system completely unbootable. Then, when that happens, what you do, you take a little thumb drive with Clonezilla on it, take your external hard drive with the disk image on it, you plug that into your computer, you boot into Clonezilla, and you restore the disk image. Then try again. Did it break? No? Good. And this is just a PSA to everybody. Anyways, hope you had a good Thanksgiving. If I don't post another video before Christmas, Merry Christmas. Y'all can put up your Christmas tree stuff now. By the way, new machine for the Tech Room Network. We've dropped Verizon. Updates coming soon. Yep. Yeah. Take disk images, people. This has been a PSA about computer usage, and more specifically backups, from the Computer Geek 0101010001. Peace out, guys. Peace out, and let's get this thing running again.